everyone, welcome to my channel Learnology. So today I made this English lesson plan and the topic is antonyms or opposite words. Okay, so let's get started with it. So in the starting, as you know, we write the details. Okay, we'll write teacher's name, then we'll write our class. You can use this lesson plan for class 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then we write subject, that is English. In brackets you can mention grammar also. Okay, then topic is opposite words or antonyms. Okay, then we write date on which you will be teaching, then period, and then duration. It means how much time you take to teach this chapter. Okay, so before going on, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do it. Okay, for more such videos, I have also created a playlist of all the lesson plans, English, Hindi, Maths, EVS. So you can have a look there if you want more lesson plans, and also you can comment down if you want a lesson plan on any other specific topic, and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. Okay, now let's continue. So after that, in our lesson plan, we'll write general objectives. First one is to increase students' interest in learning English language. Second, to enhance the speaking, reading and writing skills of students. Third, to educate the students about the rules of English grammar. Fourth, to enable the students to communicate in English easily in their daily life. You can use these general objectives and copy paste them in every English grammar lesson plan. Okay, but after that comes specific objectives. So they cannot be same as they are related to the topic that we are teaching. Okay, so first one is to introduce opposite words to students. You can also write antonyms. Okay, second, to describe the meaning of opposite words. Third, to help students learn different opposite words. Okay, next heading is teaching aids. So here we'll write chalk, duster, blackboard, pointer, chart, etc. Okay, whatever you need to teach the chapter. After that comes previous knowledge assumed. Okay, so we'll write it is assumed that students have some knowledge about opposite words. Then we write previous knowledge testing. So for this we make two columns. One is teachers activities and the other one is students activities. Okay, here the teacher asks questions and the students have to answer them. First question is, when does the sun rise? So they'll answer, the sun rises in the morning. Then we'll ask them, when does the moon rise? So they'll say the moon rises in the evening. Then we'll ask them, now tell me how morning and evening are related to each other. Okay, so there would be no response and that's a problematic question. So that is what leads to our topic. Okay, so the next topic in our lesson plan would be announcement of the topic. So we'll announce, well students, today we will study about opposite words or antonyms. Okay, then comes the presentation part. Next heading is presentation, where we actually start teaching. Okay, so here we make 4 columns. First is teaching point, next is teachers activities, third is students activities, and fourth is blackboard work. Okay, so first teaching point is meaning of antonyms. The teacher will explain the meaning of antonyms. Okay, she'll say an antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. And student activities, students will listen carefully. Blackboard work, we'll write the heading antonyms, and we'll write an antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. Okay, that means we'll write the definition. After that, next teaching point is examples of antonyms. So the teacher will write some examples of antonyms on the blackboard. Okay, and she'll tell also. So what is students activity? Students will note down in their notebooks. Okay, so we in our blackboard work we'll write the examples like this along with the pictures so that they can understand it very well. Okay, so a big ball and then a small ball you can make anything like that. Okay, so big and small, hot, cold, day, night. Okay, so we'll tell them opposite of big is small, hot is cold, day is night, happy is sad, up is down, right is wrong. Okay, you can mention more or whatever you want to. Okay, this is the blackboard work. After that, third teaching point is game on antonyms. Okay, so just to make our class more interactive, what we'll do, we'll play a game on antonyms. Okay, what will the teacher do here? The teacher will play a game on antonyms where she or he will ask the students to act in the opposite manner of what she will ask them to do. Okay, and what the students will do, the students will play the game and will do opposite of what their teacher says. Okay, so here there will be no blackboard work, and suppose the teacher will give commands like sit, so the students will stand. Okay, if she'll say laugh, the students will start to cry. Okay, if she'll say push your table, they'll pull their table. Okay, that is how they'll play this game. So next is put your hands down, close your pencil box, wake up. Okay, then move backwards. Okay, so she'll give these commands and it will make class more interactive and easy for them to understand the concept. Okay, then next teaching point is more opposite words. So the teacher will ask the students to name some more opposite words that they know. Okay, of course there are so many antonyms, so they'll name some. What will the students do? The students will name some more antonyms. Okay, so this will be a discussion. Okay, After that, in our lesson plan, we write recapitulation. First question is, what do you mean by antonyms? Second is, what is the opposite of cold? Third, what is the opposite of morning? Okay, then we'll give them homework. So next heading in our lesson plan would be homework. Question is, write the opposite of the following words. First is big, then tall, fast, question, come, first, strong, soft, clean, wet. Okay, so these are the words that they have to write opposite of. So this was my lesson plan that I made, and I hope you all have liked it. I put a lot of hard work for you all, and I hope and I wish that if you like my video, then you give a thumbs up to me, and also write in the comment box how you find it, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.